Hi guys, welcome to the barb shop. I am Amul. Today we will talk about ceramic coatings. So what exactly is a ceramic coating? Everyone would like to know. Ceramic coating is basically a transparent layer over and above the painted surface of your car. So what does a ceramic coating do? Ceramic coating will protect the car from UV rays. It gives extremely high gloss for your painted surface. Third, ceramic coating makes the surface extremely hydrophobic, and because of this any dirt, dust or mud will not stuck on firmly to the exterior surface. So while cleaning the car, just spray a good amount of water onto the exteriors and this water will take off the dirt, dust and mud. So in this way the car remains scratch free also. And one more important benefit of ceramic coating is it also protects from bird droppings, which are highly acidic in nature. So what does this bird dropping do? Since it is highly acidic in nature, it will penetrate inside the painted surface of the car. So ceramic coating acts as a shield between the paint and this acidic bird droppings. So this will also protect from bird droppings. At barb shop we use the best of the consumables and these are all our in-house products. So what are you waiting for? Get your car to the barb shop today or book an appointment on the number given below. Thank you.